Hello there. I haven't made a video for quite a while now, but now I'm back. It's been busy at work, so but now I've prioritized getting out and making a new video. So I have driven to this small place called HØRTE, and I'm gonna take a walk along the river running through this small valley. And it's a very nice atmosphere right now. So there's a low hanging cloud cover. So I think we can get some nice mysterious pictures following the river. So I think it's going to be a good hike. So come along and see what I'll find. I'm now following the river upstream. It's just so atmospheric, so the fog is coming and going and the sun is almost shining through and then it disappears again, just giving this very I don't know, Norwegian atmosphere. You can almost imagine the trolls running around between the trees, just out of sight. So I am very hopeful. I think there will be some excellent motives during this along this hike. So this is nice. And as always, I'm so glad every time I get out. It's just a thrill to be here. Just a few minutes, it's the low clouds disappeared and now it has cleared up and the sky is blue, as you can see if I just turn around. But still, there's a wonderful late October light, so I think there's still good opportunity to get some nice footage. So yeah, I'm gonna go down to the river again very shortly. There's a very special place just a little bit further, which so I've come to this wonderful little location. So there's a bend in the river here. There's a tiny waterfall here behind me, which I'm trying to get a photo of. And then of course we have the bigger current just a little bit upstream. So I will try to photograph that as well. So the sun is getting low by now. So I think we'll get some really nice golden light very shortly. So this is a wonderful place. Oh, and I spotted a campsite right over here. So I think I will be coming back for an overnighter and see if I can get the morning lights at some point. Maybe next week. We'll see. But this is just a spectacular place. So this is nice. So I'm standing here next to this wonderful little waterfall. So I put on an ND filter, so I'll see if I can get this nice, very soft water. Yeah, it's a little bit too light even with an ND filter to get that effect, but we'll see how I'll manage. I'm on my way back to the car and then I will go home. And then I think I will try something new and pick some of the photos I've taken and edit them in Lightroom and make that part of this vlog. So that would be something new and a new challenge. So that's good. So hang on and you'll see how I edit a few photos. Okay, that was that. Back at the car. So now I will go and have a coffee at a friend's house, and after that I will go home and edit some photos. So hang on and see my editing. Okay, I'm home again and ready to do some editing. So I had a lovely cup of coffee at a couple of friends' house. So thank you, Peter and Leila, for coffee and biscuits. So but now I'm back home. The fire is roaring in the oven, and cat is sleeping in the sofa, and it's nice and warm. So this is a good setting for doing some editing. So I took a look at my footage from my hike, and it's not the best, but I think there's something to work with. So I will edit 3-4 photos, and you can look how I do it. And yeah, let's get to it. So I'll just start here with the first one. Okay, so here's the first picture, and I really like this tree here. You can sense the mysterious atmosphere that were along the river. So there was a very bluish tint when I was there, which don't really comes through on the photograph. So I will bring the temperature a little bit down just to bring forth the blue, and then I will just take a little bit of exposure down, not much. And then I will do a cropping like this. And then I will take the highlights a little bit down. And I can bring the shadows quite a bit down. Bring forth details in the tree. And whites a little down, and that's too much. Blacks just a little bit down. Then I will add some clarity. Now we can really, the tree stands out. And then I will add some vibrance. That should make it bring forth the blue. So that's nice. And then I would like to emphasize or bring forth the details in the water, the flowing water. So just not do haste, but I will just give it just a little bit more exposure on the river. Bring it a little bit forth. Okay. Yeah, I think that's that's a nice picture. It's not the best, but it's maybe not something I would hang on the wall, but it's a nice memory from a nice hike along the river. Okay, so here's the second picture you saw on the hike. I stopped at this small waterfall. I took some pictures with the ND8 filter, so we get this nice smooth water. Let's see what we can do with this. Do a little bit of cropping, so the waterfall is kind of a little bit more isolated. Maybe like this. I want a little more framing. And then I will bring down the exposure just a little bit. and then I'll add some contrast. Bring down the highlights maybe, and the whites. It's almost burned out this area, so I think maybe if I bring down the whites, and then we'll bring forth some details just in this area. I will bring down the blacks, and then I will add some clarity, just a little bit, and some vibrance. Yeah, maybe even a little bit of vignetting. Yeah. Again, maybe not something I would hang on the wall, but it's a nice photo, but not amazing. So, but I think that's the best I can do with this. On the way back, I came by these ferns, and the sun shined through the treetops and just made some spectacular golden colors on the ferns. So I took some photos of them. I didn't film it out there, but this is one of the pictures I took. So I think we can crop this quite a bit. Maybe there's some really nice details here in the leaves, I think. Maybe like this. And make it 4×3. Maybe like this. It's nice. And then I will just bring down the temperature a little bit and bring down the exposure a little bit so the golden colors stand out more. Add a little bit of contrast so you can really see the small leaves here, or parts of the leaves. And then I will bring down the highlights a little bit so you get the golden color, and shadows down a little bit. And whites down. And bringing the blacks down will darken the background and make the fern come forth. Add a little clarity and vibrance. I think this is nice. This really brings forth the golden colors I saw out there on the hike. So I think this will do justice to what I experienced. Yeah, so let's save it here. Nice detail from the forest floor. Okay, that was me editing 3 photos from my little hike of today. So I hope you gained just a little bit from it. So again, this is my first time I try to edit this way, so I'm a little bit new to this. So, but it's a new challenge, and yeah, let's see what I can do with this video. Yeah, thank you for joining me for the editing as well. I hope to see you again, and yeah, thank you for staying this long. And if you feel like it, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel. I hope I will bring more videos to you soon. Yeah, have a nice day.